So hello everyone, our topic is ADaBoost resilience to overfitting, and basically what overfitting means when there are too many data points, then our model tries to include in each and every data point to predict the results. And so there will be whenever there will be new data point to predict the result, then it will not be given accurate results. So resilience to overfitting refers to the ability of a machine learning model to perform well on new unseen data rather than just on the training data. So now we talk about resilience of overfitting with ADaBoost technique. So this is the main difference between random forest and ADaBoost dump is that in random forest there are multi-levels when in ADaBoost there are single levels which are called as dumps. ADaBoost combines a lot of weak learners to make classifications, which means that it takes only one attribute and predicts the result based on that attribute only. Then there are too many stumps in ADaBoost concept, then each and every stump will give individual output and their contribution in the final output will be different, and each stump is made by taking the previous stump's mistake into account. So here we take SQL data to understand our ADaBoost stumps. So as we see that there is only single attribute to determine that person had heart disease or not, and in decision trees there are multiple attributes. So first we assign the equal weights to all the data rows, and then we uh, calculate Gini index for each and every attribute, and for whatever the attribute we get the minimum Gini index, we take that attribute for consideration, and then we find amount of say, and then we find new sample weights for incorrectly classified and correctly classified sample weights from these formulas, and then we assign new sample weights instead of the old sample weights. So here what happens that we calculate our output based on the first term, and from the first term, from what data we get the wrong output, we increase that weight and give to the next term, and same we get the output, and whatever the weakness of that output we give the next term, and so on. And in the Python language, so we there are libraries, and from sklearn.ensemble library we can input directly ADaBoost classifier and use them in our model. So that's it about ADaBoost resilience to overfitting. Thank you.